No, the
I
bleed
think they're talking
was-
about the lightning tether.
The lightning tether, yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
I was talking about the bleed.
Oh yeah, sorry, the bleed is.
Oh
what I
yeah, that
usually-
top too.
Oh, burnished. Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't think the TB has a dot, nor does the lightning
Well,
stack.
the lightning stack does on the person with
Yeah,
targets,
yeah,
the
right?
lightning
Right,
does,
but not on the
but-
tank.
Yeah, not on the tank.
No.
No, that would be a WoW buster.
Oh, you're right.
But
Who even plays WoW in 2021?
Luffy.
A movie?
Yeah. Judge me.
Judgment.
I thought Louie plays to spend time with her sister.
Yep.
Still judgment.
Do you finish the story? Like the latest one?
Not yet.
Same. I'm still
Double what?
Louie, I don't judge you for spending time with your sister.
She's the best.
I do.
That greed is so scary every time.
And she do some of the PSO too.
Probably heal.
Nah, I think we're fine.
I'm panicking.
Why panic?
I have regen, so I'm
only
gonna
at
very
30%
heal
here. And
Okay.
TBN.
I'm moving away.
I'm scared.
You're gonna have to move, Brun.
I know.
I can micro move here.
Yeah, Fortune City feels a lot better.
Re.
Coffee time.
I'm sorry that I betrayed you.
You were the chosen one!
The amount of Star Wars references you have is hilarious.
Tank Buster.
Tank buster. What?
Vic, come. We're fine.
Thank God.
Oh, I don't have as much as I would like for Kit here.
Second wind.
I
Yeah.
ED'd him.
Thank you.
Oh, good, you got that emboldened kit.
Yeah.
I
Blue safe.
good cover.
Another happy landing.
8.5.
Hi guys.
Lol.
I am moving to 2.
Numbers on the edge. Knock that.
Oh, that's why I feel so better. I can just do it normally.
Light's coming up soon.
Right wide light.
Shade shade.
Do I need a CCD heal?
I'm
I'm gonna do it.
yeah, we're gonna need it for the light coming up soon here. I have an
Let's
Indom here.
try something else.
That should be good.
Hopefully.
Yeah, and I have horoscope and star.
Hey newbie.
Hello.
The opposite of Indominus X sub.
Remember, don't move early. Don't move early on this.
Oh, he's gonna turn, isn't he?
I know.
Oh, there.
Just don't move early and kill people.
Yep, correct.
Going to BFE!
No trust.
No trust.
Get away from newbie. Get away
Yep.
from newbie.
Working on it. I apologize for changing.
Troubadour.
Chill.
I'll refizzle this.
Pots.
I got it. Thank you.
Pots
Use this
now.
one. Powder mark.
Okay.
Oh, that was messy.
Blue save. Bring to the or
It's gonna
Hacho.
it's gonna be too late.
You're my brother, Vic.
Sorry, I thought you were gonna like ball light and then take that shit.
Yeah, I rather.
I bowl at the other thing.
It's the opposite in the other group.
Knockback?
Fire stack.
Really hates me today.
Vic, do you know how to do uptime, teacup?
Nope.
Okay.
Like the way you said nope.
I know I did too.
Nope. Elemental. There's a sun.
Gonna pop the star.
This is the knockback. I'm gonna get a
Yes.
healer after this.
Wait, fire.
Alright.
Knock red.
Red. Pop sprint if needed.
8 and out.
Bye guys.
Red bite. Moving to 3.
Wait for the AoE.
Knockback. Targetable.
It's
Lightning.
just not fair.
This is outrageous. It's unfair.
Like having so much to do.
Should
Good
have
result.
another
How can you be a healer but have to cast a heal GCD?
soil.
Where I had it.
Teacup.
I'm gonna shield this.
Blue
If
save.
you want to do blue up time, you can.
I mean, I'm invoking it regardless, but.
It'll be spread.
Spread.
I'll move out.
Hashima, you move
Match,
right.
match, match.
If you want to do uptime, Vic, I can show you how to do it. It's not that hard.
Outer
Where
mark.
is Vic? Found him.
Oh, oh, oh!
Okay.
154k.
It's fine.
2 cooldown. What?
This just means we do it
Fire
without.
save.
Go to red.
You can actually keep uptime here since you don't keep the buster.
Yeah. I
Bring
don't have the thing anymore.
Fire.
Is this the new tank strat?
Oh, haven't you heard?
Right, I thought we usually have 2 praise there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
No,
the
we only
tank
have-
died.
No, we only have one, and then we have a powder
Oh,
mark.
we're so much farther ahead of DPS.
It's because of Vic's uptime strat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right?
that's definitely why.
Expect myself.
Sorry, no. Try not to laugh. Okay.
But 9% a hit. You're welcome, guys.
Swords up in, opposite end. 1-3.
Damn, got a second before I did. Oh, DB?
DB.
DB.
Vic likes to wiggle.
Dragon Ball.
Saw Luby move and I'm like, oh, it can't be her.
Well, I thought Vic moved. I'm sorry.
There's gonna be a deploy.
Spot if you can.
I'm doing my trick fourth.
Okay. I'll shield again when it's like 3 seconds here.
Oh, the chain throw was so good. Thank you, newbie.
This is partners.
Easy on.
Partners, knockback, stack. Partners? Knockback?
Knockback. Stack. must have popped that too early. Oh, hi.
I just panic healed.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have.
I press shade shift.
This one's gonna hurt.
I did a little bit.
Do you have mitigation?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
it's
got
fucked up.
this. Can someone LB and then we don't have to do another cycle, please?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Would be nice.
No, we're fine.
Just don't want to heal it. Because this
If
one
I
actually has
want
a
mature
dot.
window. I want mature
I'll
window.
just put my mitigation here. It's not gonna
I will
make it.
move out. I will move out.
Gotcha. Lightning is on.
Out,
whatever.
double out, double out.
Back.
It's on me.
It's on
Uh,
kit. Yeah, okay.
Kit's fine.
It's dead.
Oh, that run, that run.
That was a
That
really good
round.
part for me, I think. Maybe. Hopefully.
Cries and healer.
Yeah, that was
Christ.
pretty rough.